what do them? Headman. Alright.
Always in top condition.
Yeah, man. Never drop far.
Never drop far.
Yeah, man.
Don't let them now wait till the cops come.
Yeah, man.
Big machine.
Them boy they can't.
I want to the boss. Spend money, man. Keep it up. You get what I say?
Me no play fist fight like.
Yeah, peeps, as you can see in the background, some of the cleanest, if not the cleanest, Nash in Jamaica. And we're there with the operator of the equipment.
You know? I want to chew in.
Yeah, man.
While. You get what I say?
Yeah, man. Tell the people your name, man.
Turns, man. You get what I say? You know, we are the next level family.
Yeah.
That's the thing place.
Yes, sir.
So we've been in a city for quite a while. I know interview thing. You get
Yeah,
what I
man.
say?
Yeah, man.
And the thing do where we tie up sometime where we can't get to do this thing and we can't get a look run try chop them, man.
Yeah.
The whole operation and next level team, man. You know? It's
Yeah,
a small family. It's not a big team where you can come and 10,000 man or whatever the case, man.
Yeah,
It's just
yeah.
a small family.
Yeah, man. It's
Where,
fun.
you know, we have the crowd favorite from last year them time.
Yes, man.
Always in top condition.
Yeah, man. Never
Always
drop
looking
far.
nice, never drop far.
Yeah, man. So,
And you know?
yeah, man, just upcoming, you know?
This is the project for about 2 years now after
Yeah.
it meet in an accident, you know, so
Yeah.
we kind of take you out the road and take one look at time and salt it out and
As you can
find
see,
like
man.
to show the condition right now, so
Yeah.
at time we install, at time we bring come a road, you know, so
Yeah.
this truck is a truck we have seen on the road anytime soon from now, you know.
Yeah.
And we have to take a walk going.
Yeah, peeps. So you're watching carefully, you know. Here it peeps. Raw power. Yeah, man.
And this is a real deal, you know,
Yeah, man.
You see this?
Yes.
A real deal, man, 5 or 6, man. You get what
Yeah,
I'm saying?
man.
Big machines, man. 22 series, 189, 18, 870 IXX, extended wood.
Yeah.
I want to work this, man. You want to?
Yeah, man.
Talk about it.
Yeah, man, for real, man. As you can see, and anybody know this machine know say it's a machine,
Bad dog, man.
yeah, man,
Bad dog.
real tool, man, the ISX powerhouse, man, and you can see it in its true form, machine by looks and machine by power. So yeah, man, you might give us a walkthrough and thing. Raw power.
I don't know what I'm up in.
I don't know how much.
Yeah, man, aside from that, man, you know, next everything going in that day.
Yeah, man.
We don't really set the machine and pan a little shabby level. I get to that, so we try to
man.
do it. Yes,
Best
some
level,
performance.
yeah, man.
Even for some bowl truck, or whatever the case might want to be.
Yeah, man.
Oh, we don't need them and put real pan them down.
Yeah, man.
And every solid, so get to me, I say?
Yeah, man.
Nice,
Sweet.
nice, 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 nice.
Every one of them, no drop far, man.
Not no more, no.
Once you see it on the road, you know, it's a clean settings, you know?
Yeah, man, not no more,
Yeah,
not
man.
man.
And a working tool.
Let me see. Anything you can go on this, can go on that.
Yeah.
Can go on that, can go on anyone.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'll be a son of, it depends on who I drive. You get what I say?
Yeah.
You see if I'm not a driver, where him fine tune and him clean and we take care of things.
Yeah, man.
Anything can go on for the machine. You get what I
For
say?
real, man. For
Yeah,
real.
man, 'cause I want to be the boss. Spend for him and he keep it
Yeah,
up. You
man.
get what I
For
say?
real, man.
Yeah, man.
Have to talk to you, man. I give praise where necessary, you know? So if you take a look, peeps, right through, machine fully run through, you know? As you can see. Yeah, man, no drop on settings. Yeah. So, as you know, ISX in this. Yeah, man. As you said, 22 series back in. So tell me about your machine now, you know?
14 litre and I
Yeah.
189 13.
Yeah.
22 series. Nice to work in chopper there, nice streets every day. I don't know what it
Yeah,
is.
man.
Load go, load come.
Yeah.
Fit tool. Nah, top.
Yeah.
You know, when I drive truck motor with in the garage, I do go garage work and
Yeah.
everything. So, we always busy. So, time is a very important thing. I get to me and say,
Real, man.
we always busy doing it. So, when I run the load and when I work, we there garage.
Yeah,
do
man.
the thing. I get to me and say,
Yeah, man.
yeah, man.
And as you can see, peeps, a white shirt settings, you know.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Always, man, because I don't know what things say. Clean settings, you know. And over there, you know, is the garage. Whole heap of machine, you know. Come to the doctor for some sorting out, so. Yeah, man, you take a look. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, it's something to talk about. And if you can look inside, you can see some fancy lights, you know. You know? Clean working tool piece. You see all the trail and thing. Yeah, man. Nice. Yeah, piece once you have a man who love his machine and take care of it, man. On the up you go, you know? Never down. Never drop far. Yeah, man. So just tell me how long you operate your equipment and
Yeah, I rode practically 15 years now. You know what I say?
yeah.
Yeah, man. And it's been a nice journey. You know, you have the good and bad days, what they can say going on that. You can't condition mind to have a great day, but you don't know what you might encounter at the end of the day when you plan your journey by going down the road. But apart from that, I'm a passion, so I would keep up to nothing because I would think we always been love and we are used.
Yeah, man.
So, you always see run the truck them because I chuck myself.
Yes, sir. So in the trucking industry, what is one thing you don't want to see, you know? Level up.
Why? Everybody ever say the same thing now. Money, you know.
Yeah.
Money soft in terms of
Rates.
the rate.
Yeah.
The way I go down the road to look like nothing. So my time, what you bring for the truck? Clearer than what you get to bring. So for instance, you load value $2 million
Yeah.
and you get 100,000 to bring it. When you set on an encounter with the accident with that load there, you know, a $2 million you have to find in terms of to cover what that day expense there, you know. So the money will increase, brother.
Yeah,
Money
man.
will increase right through, cause you know cheap to keep the truck on road, none at all.
Yeah.
And you have to drive to a certain condition to say, yo, you don't really want to pop off, because if you pop off, come like a free, you're going to road for.
Yeah. Especially when it's a machine of them caliber, you know?
Exactly.
Yeah,
So,
man.
and I boy keep them up on certain specs I idea, you know, because as I'm tell you, you know, you need to respond direct to, you know,
Yeah.
and you maintain the side truck, you know. Because you work the truck and you know, see that all the time because your mechanical repair where you have to do for the truck 90% of the time.
Yeah.
So you work the truck and you don't save $1 because I mechanical repair where you encounter with. So, the money will increase a lot, man. I want you, man. Money will increase, you have the skill, you can work the truck and make a money all the time. You have to practice certain good things. You have to have discipline. So you discipline yourself to say, yo, I'm reach for the bad road. I'm not rough the truck through there, I'm not drive the truck through there. So I take me all the time, I exercise patience.
Yeah.
I get to me and say, so there is a principle you have to have when you deal with this thing to say, yo, you can make a money and the boss can make a money. Because if you want to drive and collecting and the boss can make the money and fighting, you don't go work up to drive and so you think of that now. But if you go driver and you drive, a problem because if the truck not work up to him, you don't go benefit the driver.
Yeah.
So, any idea? You can see a thing out there, you have to have a man when you say, oh, you can do him thing and you not rush the truck and you not bump the truck. So, any idea? You see a money all the time. What I understand that, Dada? If you ever take up some man who are idiot, brother, you better sell it. You have to sell it before. You have to sell it.
Yeah.
Quicker than anything else. Faster how you buy, you have to sell it back.
Yeah, man.
Hey,
Real.
when you say expensive, see?
Yeah, man.
And apart from that, brother, chuck them, I chuck with sides on the same.
Yeah.
So you see me in the road and I take the road for time and do
Yeah, man.
everything. You get what I say?
Yeah, man. It's a good look, man. So, as they say, if you want to know where you pull, tell them where you carry and the weight and things.
work with Carib Cement, so you know, say we do haulage from Carib Cement go all over Jamaica, you know?
Yeah.
So, otherwise, we have a whole look outside work where we do one or two trips to somewhere or whatever case.
Yeah.
We main focus is a cement to job.
Yeah.
So, and them are two like we worry with every day. Cement.
So just give big ups and thing and
No, I think a pool like chuck at them, because I don't know when I have the rival and rate if we chuck out, you know, when they're young or young, the respect goes out to all chuck. You get what I say?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, no man, no more, no man. Yes, I did.
yeah man, right that. Babes, we are gonna get a in-cam interview one idea when we pull a load. But I don't know that of a real, but yeah, we're giving us someone who want, you know? And see the tool them here. I hear the ISX in the background and warm up. Yeah man. Clean tune. I want a clean tune. Oh, next level, you know, man. That's a cool. Yeah, man. All lights are on me. One tool, man. On the machine, man. Race like biscuit, man. Sweet. Yeah, man. Yeah man. Yeah man. See team, man. See man team and gym. The girl different, you know. Yeah man. Tool! Wet them off, Gigi, wet them off. Oh my God. Tool! Come out of the road. Yeah, man. Good, good, good. Oh, next level pass, you know, man. You ex the grimy, you know, man. Yo. No. You ex the grimy is a shame.
born a drive. And I'm going to be born to drive.